Every monster knows how the plants grow, and every monster cares, and they know how they shape, and they feed them, and they keep them alive. Let's watch plants grow. Let's watch plants grow.
They sleep when it gets cold, and the leaves turn. They turn red and they turn gold. They need sunlight, water, and earth in the air to keep them alive. That's how plants grow. That's how plants grow.
A note becomes a chord, becomes a phrase, becomes a melody, and a note becomes a monster.
Everything here is alive. Everything here is alive. You plant a seed, it settles in, and then it bursts, and then it splits and makes a twin. Then there will more. Look across the landscape, and you'll find it's just a bunch of plants, a bunch of plants, a bunch of plants. This is what I live for. This is a wondrous gem, and yes, it can be lonely, but hey, do what you will.
Look at the stars and the big black ink. Tell me what you feel and tell me what you think. Is it cold outside? Is it cold outside? Look at the stars and the big black ink. Tell me what you feel and tell me what you think. Is it cold outside? Is it cold outside?
Nobody likes me, everyone's afraid of me. It's because I am weird. Nobody likes me, everyone's afraid of me. It's because I'm so cold. Is it cold outside? Is it cold outside? Is it cold outside? Is it cold outside? Nobody likes me, everyone's afraid of me. It's because I am weird. Nobody likes me, everyone's afraid of me. It's because I'm so They say that we are monsters, but I don't really care. Just elementary monsters. It's all up in the air.
And now that you have landed, together we will share a carefree life for monsters. Because here we walk around.
You can see me in the sky, and yet you don't know how to fly. And I don't want to be here alone. step and take a leap of faith with me. Can't you feel it? It's in the air. Do the earthquake. 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 Just keep your feet on the ground and move your head all around. You put your hands in the air and move with the sound. Do the earthquake.
I'm a mountain, you are my stone. We come from the ashes of where I arose, and I can be mighty, and you can be strong. We build the foundation of where